This is my 1974 Piaggio Ciao. I got it with no title, got it back on the road, and then very naively, I would say, decided to use it for touring. So let's see what it does. You know what, there's no way I'm starting this going up a friggin' hill. I hope this will be enough runway. Oof. Go on, buddy. Yes! Oh, listen to that power. 49 cc's of glory. My idea for today... Oh, I have my mic upside down, don't I?
Genius.
Stall, don't stall. Come on. It's in. Yes. Fuck.
Mamma mia.
I swear this never happens. And now I have to start it uphill. Wait. Wait. Oh, the things I do for content that nobody watches. Ooh. Uphill start, come on. Yes! So my idea for today is just to set out in the Alps and find a nice place to, just go to, I guess. Like, it's my day off, I just want to go for a ride. And I am already impeding traffic. Great. Brother, you have a Panda, I'm not going that fast. There you go. Ooh, Panda 4x4, great choice. Weather, I hope the weather stays the way it is, because I got some, like, a bit of a drizzle coming here. I'm going too slow for, like, the wind to clear my visor, and my hands get real friggin' cold. Yeah, it's like one of the first days of spring, I guess. It's like the 25th of March today, as of recording this, so I really hope you guys are getting to ride, and the weather is nice where you guys live. There's a nice, like, ski resort town, and it should have gotten some snow recently, and I really want to see this in the snow again, because it's been a while. Like, by the way, we got like 20 subscribers in no time, so thank you guys, y'all are amazing. Oh, slow down. Don't stall. It doesn't usually stall, like, actually, so it's probably the weather, because it's hotter than, like, when I did the jetting originally, so I think I have to redo that. I will say, this part of moped touring is really not my favorite, like getting to go to the place I want to go. Now, the question of the day is, do I want to get fuel before the, like, massive uphill? Because it gets pretty steep from here. Or do I want to not weigh myself down in the hopes of not melting my motor and get fuel when I have to get fuel? I think I'm just gonna go. Can you all see me here, by the way? Maybe now. What about now? I don't know. I can see. Alright, first, like, real test of the day. Big ass uphill. Let's see what it does. Ooh, red light. I am not getting to the front. Hopefully my clutch doesn't blow up, because they actually do that. I wish I was kidding. I will be happy with, like, 30 kilometers an hour up here. 10% gradient. Yeah, I'm not hopeful. But let's see what it does. Worst case scenario, I got pedals. Oh, the cherry trees are blooming, blossoming, I don't know, man, I'm ESL. Yo, you know what? It's actually fine. Like, it's fine. Yeah, big hairpin. Knee down. You know what? It's better than I expected. Like, it's actually doing great. I actually don't want to go too quick here, because these tend to overheat a lot. Now, this is not a big bore kit, so it's got, like, the maximum, like, fin area it can have, because it's air-cooled. So I'm not too concerned with overheating it, but still, it's, you know, it's in the back of my head. I want to think about that. Like, it's accelerating uphill. Come on. Oh, I love this thing. Second test, I would say, is comfort. Because, you know, you want to go somewhere without hating yourself. And so far, you know, I was expecting, like, much worse from it. Like, it still rides pretty soft. There is a spring in the seat, like, in here, under my balls, which is doing some real heavy lifting. Like, I've lost a couple kilograms, but still I have some camera gear in the back and like a bottle of water. It's really not too bad. So if I'm not mistaken, that is the Exil Fortress, which like sounds so cool. It sounds like a Dark Souls area, and it should be the last, like, lower of a whole line of fortresses on this side of the valley, which they were used to protect Italy from the French, and I commend it for that. That is a great proposition. I should definitely let this truck go. Oh, give him the truck point by. There you go. Just a semi without the back. How are those called? Like tractors, I think. If they ever make like a Battlefield game set before World War I, that has to be in it. It just has to. It's so cool. Maybe this whole valley, because it's great. It's a great place. I think I'm about to hit reserve, actually. So maybe I will stop for gas right now. There should be a gas station, like, right here. Yeah, there it is. So I can also see how much fuel I've used so far, which will be interesting. Yo. The fuck? Wait a minute. You're telling me I just used less than a liter of fuel for all that crap? So I did some maths, and it turns out I did about 50 kilometers since the last fill up. That is 56 kilometers per liter, or less than 2 liters per 100 kilometers. That is crazy. Now, I'm obviously real happy with this moped, and I would love to go on like longer journeys with it. So if you want to see that, maybe subscribe. And I really hope that whenever I will do those longer trips, the weather would be decent, because yeah, every day off I get, it's like this. Or who knows, maybe I will sell it and actually get a decent vehicle. I don't want to, you know, be sweet victory just yet, because you know, I'm still not there. Anything could go wrong, but so far, I would say I find myself pleasantly surprised. And here we are in beautiful Cesana. What a place. Oh boy, oh. You know what? My hand hurts more than my back. I need a drink. Now this is where my outro would go, because I got to the place I wanted to get to, and my hog survived the abuse. Or not. Oh, I just had to run my fucking mouth, didn't I? Let's see what this rubbing is all about. Oh. Shit. okay? It's fine. It's fine. Oh god, this poor belt. Don't worry about it. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. I told you, it's fine. It's fine. Fine, fine. It's fine. You know what? I'm okay with that. And you want to know why? Because I just ugga-duggered it on and I didn't torque it down, nor used the manual prescripted thread lock on it. So yeah, I'm a dummy. Other than that, my verdict, I would say a solid 8 out of 10. Because I got there, I used little to no fuel. My nuts hurt like hell. My hands are still vibrating, and it almost broke down after I got there. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And if that is a sign of things to come, I think we're in for a treat. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know with a like or a comment. Maybe consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.